Hi, this is Lita from stockboosters.com. In this video, I will help you explain how to start trading on IQ option in 2025. 2024 was a year of great market volatility, bringing strong price fluctuations that attracted many traders. As economic and political instability seem to continue in the new year, 2025 might bring new opportunities to traders and investors alike. May this be a suitable time for novice traders to enter the market? The answer depends on your personal financial goals. To decide whether to start trading in 2025, you may consider your short-term and long-term financial objectives. Firstly, you should understand the difference between trading and investing. By enhancing your knowledge about the pros and cons of each approach, you may focus on the suitable option for you and choose the best tools and methods. Once you figure out the difference between trading and investing, it may be time to gather more information about assets for trading and choose the appropriate tools according to your trading preferences and style. What to trade in 2025? Choosing the right trading instrument for you is one of the most important things. What do you prefer? Binary options, stocks, Forex, cryptocurrency? Maybe you are specifically interested in trading commodities? Or perhaps you don't mind trying them all when trading in 2025? All types of assets for trading have their own characteristics and may require different trading methods. For example, binary options and Forex are among the most popular assets for trading. While having a diversified portfolio with different types of assets to manage risks is important, trading too many assets at once may be confusing for novice traders. Binary options. Binary options are financial tools that let traders predict the future price of an asset. By engaging in binary options trading, you are essentially guessing whether the asset's price will be higher or lower than its current value at the expiration time. If you choose higher, you get profit if the closing price is higher than the opening price. If you choose lower, you get profit if the closing price is lower than the opening price. You may get the following results after closing a binary options trade. Your prediction was correct. Investment back plus payout %. Your prediction is incorrect. Loss of investment. Closing price is at the same level as the opening price. Equal result. Return of investment. Digital options. Digital options share a similar foundation with binary options, but they can potentially offer higher returns, up to 900%. However, keep in mind that higher payouts often come with higher risk. To open a digital options trade, you should predict whether the price of the underlying asset is going to become higher or lower than a strike price, a predetermined price level that a trader needs to choose. You can review and pick the strike price in the expiration tab of the trade room. Expiration time and available strikes. Expiration time and available strikes. If you choose higher, you get a profit if the closing price is higher than the strike price. If you choose lower, you get a profit if the closing price is lower than the strike price. You may get the following results after closing a digital options trade. Your prediction is correct, investment back plus payout %. Your prediction is incorrect, loss of investment. Closing price is at the same level as the strike price. Equal result, loss of investment. The closer the strike price is to the current price of the asset, the lower your risks and potential profits. Stocks. A stock, also known as a share, represents fractional ownership of a company. When you buy a share of a company, you are essentially buying a small piece of ownership of that business. However, you don't always need to actually purchase stocks for trading. You may choose to trade stocks as CFDs, contract for difference. In this case, instead of buying a share, you would simply try to predict the direction of the future price fluctuations of the chosen asset. Depending on whether the result confirms your predictions, you may receive a profit or lose the initial investment. On top of that, when trading CFDs, it may be possible to achieve positive results not only when the stock price increases, but also in case of a decline. This method is called short selling, and it may offer a variety of trading opportunities in a downward market. There are nearly 190 stocks for trading via CFDs on the IQ option platform that include the most traded stocks from top global companies. You may choose stocks from different sectors that might perform better during certain business cycles. In conclusion, if you're planning to enhance your trading in 2025, it is important to be more flexible and keep learning and testing different methods. Devoting some time to studying and practicing various trading methods may help you identify opportunities and get more consistent results. You might also want to keep in mind risk management instruments and actively include them in your trading approach. Test your method and don't get discouraged if something doesn't work out right away. Mistakes are a part of the learning process. They help us get more experience and move forward.